Now that you know how the command works, let's look at a few examples of how the command may be used. Suppose you need to change the sprinkler bodies from a non-pressure regulated body to a pressure regulated body. Select sprinkler as the entity type, nozzle body as the properties, and we want to select all sprinklers that equal the value setting, so we will pick equals from the operator dropdown. Now pick the body assignment we want to change. Notice that only the bodies that exist on the drawing will appear as a selection type. Since we want to select these sprinkler bodies and not append or add them to a current selection, or remove them from a current selection, we'll choose the Overwrite Selection button and click on the Apply button. Now that all of the sprinklers with a non-pressure regulating body are selected, we can open the Properties command and change the body assignment to a pressure regulating body. Click on the Close button to exit the dialog box. And that's one use of the command. Let's take a look at another possible use. We have symbol labels on this design. Suppose you want to move the labels to a different location in relationship to the equipment. You could delete the symbol labels layer in the Layer Manager and then replace all of the labels with the Auto Symbol Label command, or you can select the labels using the Quick Select command and then move them to a new location. To select the labels, we'll choose Text as the entity type, Layer as the properties, Equals as the operator, Symbol Labels as the value, and Overwrite as the selection. Click on the Apply button to select all of the symbol labels on the design, and then select Move from the Edit menu to reposition the labels on the design screen. Let's take a quick look at the Append and Remove buttons. Let's say we need to select all of the sprinklers and control valves on the design. We can first select all the turf sprinklers. Now we can select control valves as the entity type, set the remaining criteria, and click on the Append to Selection button. Notice how all of the control valve symbols are now part of the selection set. If we click on the Remove button, notice that the control valves are no longer part of the selection set. Clicking on the Overwrite button will remove the sprinklers from the selection set and add the control valves as the only selected criteria. There are many different uses for the Quick Select command. Spend some time playing with it and more ideas will come to you.